much fun it's gonna be.
Hi everybody, welcome back to Jenny's Random and welcome back to another weekly plan with me. This is going to be an easy spread by the grace of God. Yeah, we're just going to get right to it. Just because I don't have a lot to say. Surprisingly, it's only 19 seconds in and I'm ready to get right at it. But before we do, if you are not subscribed, baby, you already know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, hit the post notification bell so you know every time your girl posts a video. And it's December, baby, so you know it's coming at you every single day. Maybe. I want to roll so far and I already have videos stacked up for the week, so we doing good here. We're gonna get right to it. So I'm gonna be using this printable from Etsy. As you guys already know, y'all know I can't help but be on Etsy, be there, be in it, get all the stickers. Y'all know how I do. So I got this winter kit. Now this kit was made for January and I got it on sale for 90 cents. You believe that? A printable, a whole week. And this, I only printed 3 pages. I believe there were 5 pages in this kit. I'll link it down below, of course, for you all so you can see, you know, get your hands on it. I don't know if it's still going to be on sale by the time this video goes up. It was 90 cents when I got it, and it was on sale from, I think, $1.74, somewhere around that. I'll link it so you guys could try it out if you are into the printables like I am. Here, look at her. Look at her with her coat on. It's winter. It was cold today. It is winter, baby, in New York. When I say winter is here, she is like, hey, how you doing? I'm here. That's it. Those of you who were still hanging on to the little jackets, we lost the battle, unfortunately. So I'm just gonna get her cut out. All right, so I got her cut out and I tried to load this particular page in my Cricut, but Cricut wasn't having it. Was not having it. It was gonna make it all fussy and take a whole bunch of time, so I just decided not to not utilize the Cricut for that particular page. But let me jump to this side. I'm gonna add the stickers, the dates. My Cricut did an excellent job on this on these particular stickers. My last one, I'm gonna post my Faith weekly first so you can see the frustration because that set came out really wacky. My Cricut did not hold me down, I tell you that. And I think I did this one first, so I don't know, maybe it was the way I laid the paper down on the mat, I don't know. But all right, there we go. We're all dated out. This is so pretty already. I love it. Now I'm trying to think, no, I'm not gonna be that girl. I'm not gonna be fussy and cut out the white just because it's gonna cover up some of the boxes. Even though I don't mind it showing, but it's nice like this. But I'm gonna let old girl hang out like that. Now, what else? This weekend we have plans, so we're doing a family outing, big family outing. So I'm gonna plug it right in the middle like that because that's just where I'm feeling like going with that. I wish I had some dots. I'm gonna find some to go here just so I have a to-do list. Let's see. Oh no, guys, black dots it is. So I think I'm gonna need 4 at least. See if I could fit 4 on there. This is purely for looks. Oh man, let's see how we can fit 4. I think just like that. Yeah, that's the spacing. I'm just eyeballing it. That I think is gonna work out. Three would have looked nicer, but it's okay. And she cannot cover my list, so. But I don't want to cut her boots off, so we're going to let it hang out like that. Let's see. I definitely want these trees. Do I put them here? Or do I put them at the middle of the page? I don't know. Let's keep going. I know the 9th she has a dance to go to, a pajama party. I definitely like this winter hands, so I'm gonna grab that. All right, I'm definitely ready to lay this one down here. That's pretty. I'm gonna lay her down. Oh, but first let me white out priorities. I'm whiting out my priorities. Don't we wish we could do that in real life? Just priorities, white it out. Does not exist. Well, some priorities, I should say, but not. Sometimes all of them can kick rocks with no socks. I'll tell you that. So let's lay her down. Make sure the boot is all the way on there. Yes, baby. Perfect. Back of the boot has to go, but I don't think it's that noticeable. That's perfect. Where do I want these trees? Here? I don't know. Maybe the trees can't. Maybe we can't have them. I don't know. I would love a checklist there, but I would need a different set of dots. Let's just make a note of what we have. So Friday definitely has plans on it. What else? Let's see. Do we want to do these goals? Is that where we want to go? Like above the memo. Yeah. Oh, but I gotta hole punch it. Yes. So goals for the week. I like that. Winter. Let's see. For the sake of making it look pretty, we're gonna add some nice gray stickers. There, one there. Should I put one here? No, one here. They're quite big. I don't know if I'm gonna like that. Put one here. Okay, like that. Just so we can have places to get things done. Do we want some dots? Let me see if I have, no. Yeah. I'm all over the place with this one. Let's see. This is gonna be the quickest plan with me ever. So, let's see. We'll add one for Friday. All right. We'll add one for Monday as well. Why not? Just like that. Just a happy little spread. I love it already. It's simple. It's cute. Do we write in our plans? I think we do. Where's my pen? Monday overtime. The pajama party. My goals, complete edits. Clear computer. WordPress. I'm working on something, so I'm going to put that there. And here I'm going to put family outing. And put some little dashes so it looks like a list. Sunday, laundry. Hair. That's for me and Jackie. Nail. And edits.
The time is 8 p.m. It'll be time for bed in 30 minutes.
Alexa, thank you.
Absolutely. Happy to help.
So, yes, I think this is it. What do I have for the 6th and the 7th? Let me look at my inbox. Oh, yes. Oh, shoot. My FedEx package is coming. Guys, if ever there was a time for you to know to watch my videos, now is the time. I am having a giveaway. I'm not sure in what way, shape, or form I'm going to announce it, but I am having a giveaway. So watch Vlogmas, okay? Because I'm not sure when, where, or how I'm going to announce it, but you better make sure you're watching all my videos so you don't miss out on your chance to win a nice prize for the holiday. I really wish I used these trees. I can't help it. I have to use them. Yeah, it was killing me. It was killing me to not use these trees. Put it like that. Yes, it was killing me. And now I need a thinner, maybe this light blue one. Yeah. Like this. Right in the middle, just like that. Yes. Oh, that made all the difference. Okay. Yes. Oh, absolutely stunning. Yes, I love it. Should I put in my planner just to see how it looks? Let's see. Oh my goodness, cooperate. As you can see, I have sleeves on today. It's cold in my apartment. So this out because and you already know I always say I need to re-hole punch and I never do. Zoom out a little bit, just a smidge, so y'all can see the whole thing. Doesn't this make you want to be productive for the week? I love it. I love the way this came out. It's so pretty. I could have sworn I had a page marker. Oh, yes, it's my paper clip. It's missing. Yeah, one of my paper clips didn't make it, so we're going to put this flower up here. I think that'll look nice. Yes, it looks so girly. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Where's my pen? All right, I found my pen. Y'all didn't tell me it was right there, but it's okay. Yes, this is it. Yes, this is it for the week. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in the next one, which is very soon, so stay tuned. Bye.
This Christmas, the fireside is blazing bright.